Today, most buildings are still black boxes. We consume energy, water, and use spaces without really understanding what's happening inside. With Real Pulse, you measure, understand, and optimize your buildings in real time. Here is a real example from our Tabellion site. At a glance, you can monitor energy, water, indoor air quality, heating, occupancy, and space usage. You can then drill down into details: electricity consumption, peak loads, air quality, heating behavior, or room occupancy. For example, identifying a room that is overheated or poorly ventilated. You can also visualize your data directly in space. With interactive floor plans, you instantly identify zones with high CO2 or poor air quality. And with the 3D BIM view, you get a digital twin of your building, fully connected to real-time data. Deployment is simple: wireless, battery-powered sensors with no need for cabling. And the platform is fully configurable: thresholds, schedules, heating plans, and energy prices. The result: reduced energy consumption and CO2 footprint, improved comfort, fewer incidents, and decisions driven by real data. Real Pulse brings value to owners, property managers, facility managers, and occupants. Because you can only optimize what you measure.